Purpose. It's the pathway to progress. And growth, it requires imperfection. You see, everything in life is balance. You've got to lower the stakes and move forward anyway. Create a flow where you don't need motivation. Just keep going on your momentum. Visualize who you want to be. Live the life that you want. And let go of everything that has no place in your now. Crave connection, make mistakes, fall in love, forget the outcomes. Always take a directed action towards something. But most importantly, stay grounded. Always play with your creativity, play by your own rules, and always take that next step. It's what you give meaning to gives you meaning. Become one with your body and feel your strength. Immerse yourself within, both good or bad. And then set sail towards who you're becoming. You see, unpredictability, it's exciting. It makes us see the world in a different way. Experience the emotion, the freedom, the connection, step by step. You've got to act it, you've got to feel it, and you've got to believe it. Make decisions. Do something. Do anything. In your mistakes, you'll always find your answers. You've just got to trust the process.
Holy shit, look at that.
He's got the little baby on the thing.
Oh my god. He's got a little melon. That is
You guys!
nice. I got that as well on footage. That's crazy.
And when in doubt, ask yourself, would you bet against yourself?